to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do a tutorial on the Cashmere Caviar collection from Curls Professional. So it came in the curlBOX March box. So I already used the hair bath, which is this one. Great, I love it. It comes out like a jet black color, so it's so cool. And it left my hair feeling soft, so I really like this product. Next, I use the hair mask, so it looks like this. I did it for 10 minutes. It smells great. I don't know how it worked. My hair's still up, but it felt nice, so I really like it. And so yes, on these two. So sorry if I look a little I'm sick. I just woke up sick today, so I'm gonna do this for you guys as best as I can. So we'll get started. All right, so we're gonna use the hair silk next. Oh, it smells so good. All right. And I do use a lot of product, if you guys haven't noticed. I do have thick hair, so just use as much or little as your hair, needs. So the product does feel lightweight, so I am gonna use more than I really need. But I always feel like I prefer to have more of that creamier product on my hair than I do like gels and stuff or mousses. And my hair is dry. I did color it last night, just a little bit darker. I did a box color. It was a different brand. It really felt like it stripped my hair. I didn't really like it, but we'll see how it turns out. Okay. The next product I have is the hair glue, or the hair gel, or is it just a fancier term for it? So we're gonna try that. And then, my goodness, the lighting is gonna go crazy because I'm using outside and indoor lighting, so I'm sorry if it gets like really dark, like now. Oh. Okay, so the glue looks like this. I was thinking it was gonna be more, smells okay. I thought it was gonna be more like a gel-like. It feels really nice. Oh, and it's a thicker consistency than the other product. Oh, that feels nice on my hair. Okay. Yeah, I like this product. I mean, I don't know how my hair is gonna turn out, but the way it feels on my hair feels really nice, especially if you have dry hair. It's gonna be nice. And I'm sorry about the lighting again. And I didn't put a leave-in conditioner like I normally do. I'm just using the products that I got in my box. Okay. So there is one more product, which is the hair serum. The only thing I don't like about the packaging is it doesn't really tell you like, oh, for the mask, it doesn't tell you like how long you should wear it or anything like that. It just tells you why cashmere, why caviar on one side, and on the other side it's pretty much the ingredients and like why promoting their product and stuff. I believe in the pamphlet in the box it tells you what to use it for, so make sure you read that. I didn't read it. I was hoping it just said on the packaging. So I think I'm gonna wait for the serum when my hair is dry, because I'm assuming it's a lot like, oh, I was thinking it was more like an oil, which you can tell it looks oily, but texture's a little different, like kind of creamier, oily texture. I know, I'm probably horrible at describing all that stuff. You know what the heck, let's do it. Let's throw some in there. I'll focus on my ends because they're a little dry. Okay. And then if you guys don't know this already, I do use a Denman brush to comb out my hair. I'll section it and comb it out. I feel like the curls come out a little bit more uniformed, and not only that, I feel like it distributes the product a little bit more. But you know, it's your own personal preference. I believe in one of my other hair kits, it came with one, I want to say it was Curl Kit that came with it. And I felt like it was a knockoff of the Denman brush. The bristles were a little bit like, I mean, they're plastic, but they came out like a little bit hard plastic, so I really didn't like it. So if you've already used this, you can tell the difference. If you haven't, then you know, that's all you guys if you want to try it out. And I honestly think that now that my hair is darker, it's a little bit harder for you guys to see the curls, which I'm sorry about. But my roots were growing out like super bad and super crazy, and like literally was like that much growth. And I think you could kind of still see it. But I do like going lighter. This was actually supposed to be a light brown, and it actually like almost blended in with my natural hair color, so I'll figure something out. Let me do some highlights or something, I don't know, or just keep it my hair color for a while. I haven't decided yet. Okay, and then this is when I get my towel. I don't think this is a microfiber one. It's polyester, but I feel like it works fine, so just use whatever. See, now the sun came out. Look at how much better this looks. Oh my gosh, this weather. Okay, so just get some of the excess product. All right, I don't know if you guys can see my curls. So yeah, so I normally wait 1 hour just to let it air dry on its own, and then I will diffuse it. I do like to use a diffuser. If you can avoid the diffuser, then I prefer you guys to do that instead. So yeah, I've used all the products, so we'll see what the outcome is. Okay, see you guys in a bit. Okay, so this is the finished hair. I absolutely love all the products. I did add more of the serum to give like a little bit extra shine. The products feel very light on my hair, so it doesn't feel very heavy, even though I did put a lot of products. So I did leave it alone for an hour, and then I did use the diffuser going back and forth from warm and cold for about 10 minutes. So as you can see, the curls came out really, really nice. The top of my hair always is a little bit frizzier because I do tease it a little bit more to make it bigger. But overall, I really, really love the products. They all work well together, and I'm very, very happy of the outcome. Again, sorry about the lighting. Sorry for being sick. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give me a thumbs up so I know to continue making more of these videos for you guys. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and thank you for watching. Bye.